Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Royal Knowledge and Royal Secret. Chapter 9, Shloka 6. As the mighty wind moving everywhere rests always in space, the Akash, even so, know you, all beings rest in me.
Chapter 9, Shloka 6. यथाकाशस्थितो नित्यं वायुः सर्वत्र गो महान् तथा सर्वाणि भूतानि मस्सानि उभधारय.
Chapter 9, Shloka 6. The relationship between the infinite and finite as superimposition described in the language of the paradox is supported with an example. A substance which exists everywhere and supports everything in it, but it is not conditioned by the things in it, is difficult to grasp by an ordinary intellect till it matures fully. An example which gives an idea follows. According to the principle of subtlety, the gross cannot affect the subtle. The iron bars of the prison cannot stop the thoughts of the prisoner from thinking about his family at home, though physically he is locked. The strong, dusty winds move about in space, which supports it everywhere, yet the wind cannot limit nor affect the space. The real supports the unreal, which seemingly moves about in it, yet the unreal cannot condition the real. The wind moves in a small area and the space extends to much larger area. Also, when the wind moves, the space does not move nor get dirty by the dust. Space is subtler than both the wind, which is less subtle, and the dust, which is gross, so untouched and free. These examples are to be thought over and analyzed, as they are helpful in contemplation during meditation. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.